बीए पार्ट थर्ड के विद्यार्थियों का ऑनलाइन क्लास में एक बार फिर से स्वागत। जैसा कि डियर स्टूडेंट्स, all of you know that due to the pandemic situations of COVID, you are provisionally promoted to third year. As the situations will be better, you have to face the examination paper of second year. So you have to be prepared for second year and third year. मैं विनीता चौधरी, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, राजकीय महाविद्यालय सुजानगढ़। इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के आपके 2 पेपर होंगे। आज के इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे द सिलेबस ऑफ पेपर सेकेंड, एंड द नेम ऑफ द बुक ऑफ द पेपर सेकेंड इज ऑफ प्रोज एंड फिक्शन बाय ऑक्सफोर्ड यूनिवर्सिटी प्रेस, एंड द चीफ एडिटर इज डॉक्टर S.K. Agarwal, professor and head of the Department of English, MGS University. In this paper, we have 5 units. In unit first, we have 2 essays, The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond and The March of Mind by S. Radhakrishnan. In the second unit, we have The Great Journey to the West by Vivekanand. And the next essay is of Building an Internet Culture by Philip Agre. And the third essay is The Social Cost of Economic Globalization by Vandana Shiva. And the next one is Aruna Roy's Tune to the Voice of the Deprived. And the next essay, Man and Nature in India, The Ecological Balance by Salim Ali. So, in this unit, we have 5 essays. And in the third unit, we have stories. The Child by Premchand, Barber's Trade Union by Mulk Raj Anand, Refugee by K.A. Abbas. And in the unit 5th, we have The Mother of a Traitor by Maxim Gorky, The Drover's Wife, Henry Lawson, and Lalaji by Jim Corbett. As you know, dear student, that you have to attend for 3 questions. In the first question consists of 2 marks each, and you have to attend 5 questions. All questions are compulsory. And the next question is of explain with reference to context. You have to answer in 250 words. And the next question, that will be of unit 1st, 2nd and 3rd, 4th. It will be of you have to answer in 250 words. And the last but not least, the question is of essay type question. You have to answer in 500 words. So, this is the evaluation scheme of your paper. Today, we will discuss about the first essay, The Meeting Pool by Ruskin Bond. Today, we will talk about the author. Ruskin Bond, beloved Indian author, was born in 1934 in Kasoli. He has been living in Landur near Mussoorie since 1960s. His first book, Room on the Roof, which received the John Leight Award in England, was published when he was 21. His stories are chiefly set in the towns and villages in the foothills of the Himalayas. In many of his stories, a boy called Rusty appears as the first person narrator. He lost his father at the age of 10 and went to Dehradun to live with his grandmother. Of his numerous books, some of his best known novels are The Panther's Moon, Angry River, and his popular collections of short stories are A Season of Ghosts, Night Train to Deoli. His short story, A Flight of Pigeon, was made into a film by Shyam Benegal, and Vishal Bhardwaj has made two films based on his novel, The Blue Umbrella, and his short story, Susana's Seven Husbands. So, this was a brief intro of the writer of the essay, The Meeting Pool of Ruskin Bond. In the next video, dear student, we will talk about the essay, The Meeting Pool. I hope you are enjoyed this video and be safe and stay home.